Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be downloading some free games right here on your Xbox using your Xbox Live membership. So let's just go right into Microsoft Store. In your Microsoft Store, just go down until you guys see memberships on the left hand side. Just tap right there, and from here you're going to see these. These are the free games you guys get with the Xbox Live Gold membership. So these are the ones, and they are for a limited time. So after just a few days they will change, so make sure to download them right now. For now, we're just gonna click on get more information, and from here we should see all the games again. So like I mentioned, it is for a limited time, so download them fast before we get the new batch of fresh new games for free right here on your Xbox. So let's start off with this guy right here, the very first one. So it's loading so it loads. We can just scroll down and we should see get. So as long as you guys see free up here, then you should be good. There are 27 days left at this point in time. However, like I mentioned before, you only have those 27 days in order to download it. These are full games, they're not trials, and yes, you guys get to keep them. Again, they are not trials, they're not demos, they're full games. Right now it's downloading. Let's just go back. Now that one's about half a gig. Let's go into the next one. Now as long as they say free, it means free. So you will not have to pay anything. You guys can go ahead and download it. So right now it says get, it says free up there. So that means I can go ahead and download this. So I'm just gonna do that. Now this one's only 12 days left. So after 12 days, we should see another game replace this one. So make sure to download it right away. And we're gonna go into a final one. Now with Xbox 360 games, or this Xbox game for example, it's gonna be a little bit different because what's gonna happen, it's gonna ask us to verify some information. So right now we're just gonna go into see the price, and once we go into here it should say free. So make sure it says free up here. So it's just loading right now. However, like I mentioned, it should say free. As long as you guys see that, you guys can go ahead and download it. If it doesn't say free, then maybe you're out of time. But right now we can see that it says free, so we're good to go. We can continue on and verify our payment information, although it's free. So as long as you confirm, you're supposed to see this screen. Sometimes, yes, there are glitches where you see this, like really big. That's an actual glitch. So it's not supposed to do that. I'm just gonna hit A on my controller. Yep, so it took me back here. That's okay. I'm gonna go back to memberships. And from here, I'm gonna go straight to that game right here. There we go. Let's just scroll down and hit on install. And there we go. So that's a glitch. It's supposed to just install by itself right away. However, it does that sometimes. We're just gonna go back and we're gonna see the process for all of them. So I'm gonna go all the way back. I'm gonna go back into my home. From there, I'm gonna go into my games and apps. And from here, I wanna see the games, how big they are and how much space they're actually gonna take up in my Xbox. So I can see the other one installed that was half a gig. We already went over that one. Already downloaded because it was so small. This one is 42 gigs, which is quite big. We're just gonna pause this one so we can see how big the next one is. Now this is an Xbox game, so it should be kind of small. Yes, we're only looking at 2.67 gigs. And the other one, like I mentioned, was half a gig, and that's why it already downloaded and installed while we were doing these other games. Anyways, make sure to download these really fast because you're gonna run out of time, and we should see a fresh new batch of games in just a couple days. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.